Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are crafting a premium typography logo using lens-based custom shapes. Begin with the ellipse tool to create perfect circle and add multiple arrows, rectangles inside the resemble lens bubbles. Rotate each blade precisely around the center and merge everything into a single custom lens shape. Now duplicate and scale it for a double ring effect and add a subtle stroke for professional sharpness. Apply a metallic gradient for lens-like finish. Add a camera focus dot inside. Introduce a modern sans serif font below. Adjust line spacing to create balance. Add glow effect for a premium touch. Slightly shadows the